Hey, this is Ahad. Welcome to the immensehut. Today I want to show how to sign up our website. If I search in Google, that is immensehut.com, you can see this result, and I go our website. Okay, and you can see our website home is and if you want to log in our website or sign up our website, so you can just click start button. Then you have show a page that is signing and register button. If you have don't account, you can just click on register button and give your information. Then you register your account on our website. Okay, just wait a second. I make a demo account for this tutorial. I hope you are able to know how to sign up or register our immensehut website. Okay, bye bye, see you again later with another tutorial. Stay connected to our website. Allah Hafiz.